Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. Welcome to this space. Welcome to this space. I'm doing an unboxing video. So many of you know, have followed me for some time now. I love to share the space when I receive any type of gift in the mail. I love to share it in a video. So thank you so much for being this space. So first off, I got a beautiful card in the mail and this card came from Canada, and so I would love to share it with you. It says, Merry Christmas. And you open it up, and it says, Have a wonderful Christmas. And yes, a very happy new year. And it says, Divine Andrea, blessings for a joyous divine holiday season filled with love and light. Love you, Jill and Cassie. And it's handwritten. I love that. Thank you, Jill. Thank you, Cassie. Huge shout out of love to you guys up in Canada. I love you guys. Hello, hello. Mwah, mwah. And blessings upon your year, Holy One. Beautiful Jill. Beautiful Cassie, blessings on your year, blessings on every step, blessing on every breath, blessing on every space of you. Thank you, Holy Ones. Then I received this package, and this one is from Susie, beautiful Suzanne Molina. I love you, Holy One. I love you, Susie. You are my spiritual daughter. Yes. So I'm going to open this up, but many of you might know Susie. She's been with our Acasma family and community for some time now. Susie teaches Acasma Quantum Energy Foundations course, the course that I wrote. I taught Susie, attuned her, and now she teaches others. And she's had incredible feedback from her clients, her students, with them changing, shifting their lives into higher flow states of being. Susie teaches in English and she teaches in Portuguese. So we have this beautiful outreach expanding into more languages. So thank you, Susie, for that. All right, let's see what Susie sent here. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so cool in so many ways. All right, so let me open it up here for you. It looks like it's a sarong, I think they call them, or you could put it on a wall if you wanted to. You do whatever you want with your life. But look at this, you guys. Do you know what this is headed? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, I love it. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is huge, Susie. This is so big because, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to do a real quick recap. This happens all the time with my unboxing videos. Oh my God, I love it. All right, so about a week or so before I received this beautiful gift from Susie, from I think she was in Brazil when she shipped it. A week or so before that, I was doing some dream space work, and I had Hathor and Isis coming in really strong, and there was a lot of work being done on the energetic field. And I remember at one point, my body was standing and then my body was laying but levitating. I remember it was very clear I was levitating and I was moving across the space in a laying down position with nothing under me. There was a big opening on the back done as well. And I woke up in the morning and I was like, oh, that was incredible. That was really beautiful. And I wrote down some things. And then I went to the crystal store with my daughter. And we went there and I bought a Isis, little Isis statue. And I bought a little, yes, Hathor statue. The energies are rising really fast. And I bought an Ankh. And Susie had no idea I had that dream, that space. I went to the crystal store and bought those things. Susie had no idea. I've never talked to her about Egypt really at all. I don't think we've gone into detail on that space at all. We tend to stay really above all the different specifics and really anchored in the higher mind, which encompasses all of those, right? But then about a day later, or so, I offered here on YouTube my Christmas Eve connection for free. You could come in. I sent Zoom links to everybody that wanted one. You signed up on my website. We spent Christmas Eve together, blessing the spaces of us and allowing the spaces of us. Yes. And at the end of that video, and it's on YouTube, on this shelf behind me, back there near the salt lamp, a book flew off the wall. It flew right off the shelf. And for me, that was a huge confirmation of my higher self communicating where I'm doing what I need to be doing. I'm where I need to be, you know, because the book that flew off the shelf, I'll go ahead and show you here, was Jesus and the Lost Goddess with this Ankh on it and Christ on the Ankh. So I had just bought an Ankh. Are you seeing this with me? And I didn't miss a beat when it fell off the wall because I maintain presence at all times. But if you watch that video back, when it falls off the wall, I'm closing out the Zoom call and I'm reading out messages on the chat and I'm saying goodbye. I'm saying thank you, right? And right after that falls off, watch what word I use. I say welcome. Do you see what yes? Okay. So, but you can't tell I'm talking to the space. You can only see as if I'm speaking to the people in the Zoom. But to me, it's all one connective point. So I created the Goddess course 2 years ago, and this is 23. So I guess I created it in 22. I can't keep up with myself. And the Goddess course is all about you, the divinity within you, whether you're a man or a woman, the divinity within you. And we learn about the Ankh in that course as well. I do not teach on Isis or Hathor or any of the goddesses. I tell people straight up, if you want to learn about them, do not take my course because I'm going to teach you about your goddess space. And so I create that course. Yes. And I open up to more and more spaces of myself. The feedback on that course is phenomenal. I mean, absolutely life-changing for the people that connect with the space and implement the space in their life. But then here you have me deciding to lean in a little bit and look at certain spaces a little bit more, having that experiential space, then within 24 hours, going and getting an Ankh and those little statues and just having fun with it. Just having fun with it, not marrying, not grabbing a hold of, not embedding myself within it, having fun with it. And most likely right around that time, Susie's in another country thinking of me. Thank you for that, Susie. Hello, how wonderful. And buying me a gift that happens to be completely in alignment with what I was just buying, what I was just looking at. Now, there's so much here we can see: collective consciousness, the way we manifest our lives, the way we align, the way we design, right? It's all here. It's all here. But then we have the Christmas Eve service. We have the book flying off the shelf with the Ankh. We have the understanding and the connection to Interstellar, the movie with Matthew McConaughey and Anne Hathaway. And I talk about it all the time in my Being the New Human classes and in my course spaces. I talk about how that movie is trying to tell us that it is us we are looking for. It is us coming from the higher spaces of ourselves, if you will, dimensionally, consciously, energetically, vibrationally, frequency-wise, to assist ourselves. That's what Acasma Quantum Energy is all about. That's what I teach. That's what I write about in my books that I've written. And in that movie, one of the main things throughout the whole movie is the way they're communicating, the higher spaces of the self, communicating with the now spaces of the self. They use a bookshelf. And he pops the books off the wall to try to create a mechanism of communication. So, not to give anything else away, that's a great movie. Go watch it if you haven't already seen it. Watch it again if you have, because you'll see something new. But all of that connects to this. So thank you, Susie. How incredibly cool. How incredibly cool. I'm just so blessed. Thank you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now I have another package that came in of this guy right here. Let's see what this is. Oh my God, I love this. Oh, I'm so excited and happy. I know you gotta wait. I have to take it out of the wrapper. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's going on my wall immediately. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at this beautiful gift I was sent by beautiful Quantum Kate, Janet Kate, Jana, Janae, and his beautiful, majestic lioness, Meredith, my other daughter of my soul, if you will. And this is one of my soul mates over here. So much beauty, so much love. This is us in Sedona. The last A Time to Rise we held in Sedona. We have one every year. This was year 4, and they have been to other ones with me as well. I love this, you guys. I love this. This is so beautiful, and it's wrapped. It's a canvas wrapped photo on the wood frame. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Wow, that's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. And there's one other package. And this is also from beautiful Meredith and Janet Kate. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, birthday blessings, congratulations on 3 years of Acasma Flow, best 3 years ever. Woohoo! Pokohana from Meredith and Janet Kate. Oh my goodness, you guys are so awesome. Thank you so much. And Meredith and Janet Kate, they are both Acasma Grandmaster Deas, which is the highest space you can go to in the teachings that I have written of Acasma. I was their teacher, so I really love that. And I attuned and activated them to the space. And they both are co-leaders of one of our Acasma Pods of Light, which is a free community space available to those who are ready to rise and want to, maybe you've already risen. Yep, and you want to be around other risen people, risen and rising. All right, let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. What did they send me? I love this. Don't you love this? It's so wonderful. Oh my goodness. Oh my, I better put glasses on. There's some writing. Let's see. Long one. Ooh, that looks like a dragon on the box there. Let's see. Okay, get it out of the box. Oh, it's wrapped really nicely. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I cry every time. I cry every unboxing. Ah, I'm so loved. I love being loved. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. There's a base with writing on it. It says world's greatest teacher. And then there's this incredible clear crystal ball with the world etched on it. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, oh my goodness. I'm blown away. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to beautiful Jill and Cassie for the card and the love, the handwritten note. Thank you. I'm blown away. Thank you for remembering me, for thinking of me. Thank you to Susie for being an incredible alignment of connection of the space of my flow at the moment. Yes. Another message from myself. And you're so much more. Thank you for the love you bring to my life, Susie. Thank you for the presence you hold. You are powerful and you are aligned with your divinity, Holy One. Thank you. Thank you, Janet, Kate, and Meredith. Thank you for these gifts. They are an absolute reflection of us, of what we do, of our love, of our community, of our connection. Thank you for being leaders of light of the beacons of love, Acasma Pod. Thank you for your service to humanity. Thank you for anchoring these higher knowings of Acasma consciousness by implementing them in your daily life. Thank you for showing me so much love. And thank you to each and every one of you for watching this, for connecting in, and for choosing to see it with me. Thank you for your comments, your thumbs up, your emails, your DMs, all the ways that you choose to share and shine your light. I'm so grateful you have chosen to share and shine it on my path. I'm honored we walk together. Thank you. Thank you. A blessing on everyone connecting with this space right now. A breath in nice and slow. Yarosoeya. Tane ana kawa. Exhale fully. Iakonoaye. 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 Apautoa. 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 Hianea. Hianakawa. I love you. I love you. We love you.